Hello and welcome back to Personyze instructional videos. Today I want to give you a brief tutorial on adding the Personyze tag to your website. It's a very simple method of installation. It requires you to basically copy and paste a short bit of code that is a tag and to put it into your tag manager or master page of your website. And doing so is also all that's required. To install Personyze on your website, there's no further backend development required for any of the functionality of Personyze. So whenever you sign up for a Personyze account, you'll see this little box and you'll be putting in the website that you're going to be using Personyze with, and then what you'll get on the other end of that is your special tag manager code just for you and your website, and that is a code that you will need to add to your tag manager or header of your master page. Now, another important thing to know is that you'll be given the tracking code that makes all of what you do in Personyze possible when you sign up for Personyze. But if for any reason you don't install it at that time, you can always go back here to Settings and Domains and Tracking, and you will be able to get a tracking code for a domain when you add your domain, or get the tracking code for the current domain. And this is very important because this is how Personyze is active on your website. So if you don't do this, then Personyze is not going to be able to make any changes or track anything on your website. And once you do add it, it's important to know that any campaigns which you publish live will be live on your website. So understanding the tracking code is important here. So as well, also, especially if you're going to be using recommendations, you should install the tracking code and get that set up as soon as possible, because you'll want to start getting data as soon as possible on people's behaviors and interactions with your products. Alright, well, it really is as simple as that. Just a couple of final notes here. Personyze does work with any website on any platform. If it loads in a browser, then Personyze can personalize it, and that is because we use this code method and therefore are not limited to any particular platform. And also keep in mind that as soon as the code is active on your site, if you're doing one of our free trials, you will start to burn through your allotted page views. Page views are views of any page with Personyze tracking code installed. Okay, so I hope that you found this video to be helpful, and in the next video we'll actually dig into using the interface to create a simple campaign.